Oh Lord, the games you are playing. Did Mr. Bitterguard make the correct decision in a whimsy? Please help. Oh Lord, help. Please help.
No, no, I won't listen to you. Grandma, what's all this? Rajiv is saying that I should wear a dhoti. Have I ever worn a dhoti? No, please make it clear to me. What else do I need to do? There should be a control over things.
This is such a trouble, Grandma. The groom is supposed to wear a dhoti, am I right?
Yes.
Hey, brother Sid, you accepted the marriage, right? What's the problem in wearing this attire then?
Yeah.
Listen, Sandy, don't try and be oversmart. You speak as if you're married 10 times wearing a dhoti.
May the Lord be merciful. Why 10? My younger brother will marry just once at least. I hope that's the case. And Som, why are you standing quietly? Say something.
Hey, what will Shom say? I'm telling you I won't wear a dhoti. Sir? Sir, is a wedding ceremony without wearing a dhoti not possible?
Oh Lord, oh, not usually. But you are Maharaj Siddhananda. You know what? It's not possible to say you know. Who knows, if I forbid you, you might even cancel the marriage. And then your grandpa, he will end up here, you know? No, I can't tolerate that much. Hail the Lord.
Why are you dragging me into this, Gurudev? Can't you see no one in the family is talking to me? They have outdated me.
None will talk to you either. Anyway, there's been a lot of trouble. Rajiv, let Siddharth wear whatever he wants to. Please get him ready fast. And which room did you guys put Mithai in? The next room?
Yes, madam. Hey there. Siddhanand, let's go. You can get married wearing pants, but you at least need to wear clean clothes. This is a hermitage. Hail the Lord. Come, come.
But will you
Now
please say
stop talking. Just come with me.
Torsha, how can you leave? Today is your... There he is. Your best friend's wedding. Following this hermitage's rituals, this wedding is finally happening correctly. It would really help if you stayed with your friend. Isn't it, Sid? Won't you ask Torsha to stay to witness your marriage?
the one who wants to stay will stay. What can I say about that?
You are betraying everyone, Sid. In fact, you are betraying yourself. Okay, tell me one thing. This marriage, relationship, or love, you never used to be bothered about these. In fact, you never believed in these emotions. Then how come everything changed today, Sid? Actually, this marriage is not a marriage. I can declare that publicly with total confidence.
Tosha, it's better you leave from here. When my brother said something publicly and even took responsibility for that, he knows what he's doing. Right, brother?
Why, Shom? Why would she leave? No. She can't go anywhere. Anyway, we need more people to help with the wedding arrangements. Gosais and Vaishnavis can't do everything that is required for a wedding. They have other things to do. Torsha has to be there. At her best friend's wedding, right? She won't lend a hand? How can that be? Come with me. Come.
Sandy, your sister is quite angry. Tejbori has sorrow waiting for her today. Yes?
Rajiv? I don't understand what's the need to involve Tosha in this. Why? Hey, Siddharth, why won't you say anything?
What will I say now?
Rai, is the garland prepared? What is this? Maharaj, it is impossible to stay quiet now. Will the groom be in such foreign clothes?
No, Krishna Prana, they are not Hermitage members. It's okay.
Hey Lord, hey Lord. The wedding ceremony is in front of Radha Krishna. And what is this? You can't be here in such clothing. Will you even follow the basic rules of the hermitage?
Mr. Siddhanand, let's leave from here.
Oh, yes. Why won't we follow the rules? We definitely will. Nanda, give Tosha a sari. Let her wear a sari.
That would be better, Torsha. Go and wear a sari. Sari? Where will I get a sari from? Did any one of you know that a wedding will happen out of nowhere? Okay, hey sister, do you guys have any extra sari? Yesterday, Mithai arranged for a sari from you guys.
Come with me. I'll get you one.
No. I'd rather go back home.
What is this, Torsha? Why will you leave? You have come so far. It's a great day of celebration for us. Attend the whole wedding. Torsha? Did Sid go through the wedding in the end or not? How will you know if you leave? How will you know? Tell me.
I will change and come. Let's go.
Come with me.
Hey sister, where is Torsha going with that angry lady? To wear a sari. I will get her to do all the preparations for the wedding so that it will be drilled into her head that Sid is getting married this time. When Sid was proposing, didn't you see how Torsha was trying to stop him so many times?
Yes, Nanda, but please calm down right now. If you get so angry, it will upset Sid too, right?
Oh, let me make him upset. I will box his ears if he says even a single thing favoring that witch today.
Okay, calm down.
Isn't it getting quite late? Come on, hurry up.
Cookie, tell your dad that this is not like abandoning the material world, which can be done at a moment's notice. This is building up a family. It takes time.
Hail, Lord Gurudev.
Siddheshwar, you are in quite a pickle, aren't you?
Hey, there's the groom! There's the groom! Hey!
Get Siddhanand Maharaj to stand here and get Mithai also here.
Yes, come.
What is this? What are you wearing, Nanda? What have you all done to her? Wearing such a sari I mean,
Why? Why it calms down the mind. Gurudev, this girl's mind was so restless, she started crying a river in my room. So I was compelled to get her a white sari. It will be a disaster if she becomes restless in the marriage aisle.
Torsha? Torsha, please, let's go from here.
Did Sid go through the wedding in the end or not? How will you know if you leave?
I want to stay here till the end, Shom.
Sid, today is your wedding day. There have been a lot of mockeries and a lot of toying around with this marriage. If you even look at that Tajpuri today, remember that I will box your ears in front of everyone. Keep this in your mind.
why are you getting angry? I didn't even say anything. What have I done? Tell me.
Why did everyone get so silent like that? We should get Mithai over. Call Mithai.
Lord!
There's the bride, Sandy. Make the ceremonial sound. Come on, hurry up.
Now, Mithai, you walk in a circle around Swami Siddhananda. Please hold her, girls.
Nanda, what have you done to Torsha? Seems like she's been released from a haunted mansion.
All of you have your eyes always fixated on that Tajpuri. Sid has already received an earful. Quietly observe the ceremony.
What?
See there.
What did I do?
See.
What?
Time for the first sight. Siddheshwar, our Lord has fulfilled your desire. Hail the Lord.
Now remove Mithai's veil.
She looked at him. She looked at him. Hail the Lord.
Rajiv, please a bit lower. This is a hermitage. Please follow the decorum of the place.
Wow. So you remember it.
Siddhanand, don't think anymore. For the last few days, this is not a hermitage. Your family has started this hermitage. Don't think about it. You do one thing. Go ahead and exchange the garlands.
Yes, yes. Where is the garland plate? Oh, there. Torsha, will you please pass on the plate with the garlands?
There it is, in front of you. Just pass it on.
What are you doing?
Torsha.
Uncle, wait. You have come here too late. Look there. The worst has already happened. Sid suddenly proposed to Mithai and accepted the marriage. I can't understand anything. They even exchanged garlands. You know, everything is happening because of Grandpa. Even Grandpa returned to his old life.
Dad, what is happening here? What is happening here, Mom? Siddharth is again making the same mistake? And how did Mithai come here? Who brought her here?
Calm down.
Calm down. This isn't the time to be calm. So you are also acting? And due to this drama of yours, Siddharth is again making the same mistake.
Samresh, please, this is the hermitage, not our home. So please don't shout here.
Oh, shut it now, you. I can't take this drama anymore.
Well, sir, I'll give you a good suggestion. You go somewhere and get some rest. Because I've accepted the marriage. I'm not saying that I've accepted the marriage after much thought, but this fear I had about marriage, I fought a lot with myself to overcome that fear. Grandpa, Grandma, Aunt, Rajiv, and Nanda, they all wanted me to accept the marriage. But I couldn't overcome my fear, and so I couldn't accept the marriage. But today I've overcome it. Because Grandpa came here, I couldn't run away from this battle. But this decision is completely mine and mine alone. Grandpa didn't play any role in it, sir. Anyway, This is a hermitage. We must follow certain etiquette here. Silence is one major decorum. So please maintain silence, everybody, okay? So, shall we continue?
Siddharth, the marriage was almost cancelled. Now, take this and apply it on Mithai's forehead.